Massive Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am sharing with you how I make pineapple peel drink, or some people call it pineapple skin. So I am using the peel of 1 sugarloaf pineapple to make this drink. I wash the pineapple. I am adding the pineapple peels to a blender. The pineapple peels are frozen because they were in the freezer. I had them for a couple of days before I was ready to use them. So now I am gonna blend them with a piece of ginger root and enough water to cover them, and I am gonna blend them off camera. Okay, so first time we used to either boil the pineapple peels with piece of ginger root for probably 10 minutes, or we would pour boiling water onto the pineapple peels with the ginger root. But that style is outdated. In Jamaica we don't do that anymore. We blend the pineapple peels because according to nutritionists, we are killing the nutrients when we pour hot water onto it. I strain twice, first with a strainer and then with a piece of cheesecloth. Sweeten with your favorite sweetener, and then I added the juice of 2 limes. So the pineapple peel drink is much stronger than when you use the flesh of the pineapple. With the pineapple peel you can actually taste the pineapple, right? So it is stronger, and a lot of people in Jamaica now use the peel to make the drink and then eat the flesh. And look at the color. The color is all natural. I'm telling you, man, I love using pineapple peel to make the drink because it is 100% pineapple juice. I'm telling you, man, you can actually taste the pineapple. As I mentioned before, it is so strong and you're getting everything in terms of nutrients. Put to be chilled or serve with ice. Yeah, man, this is Jamaican pineapple peel drink with ginger and lime juice, and I use the green lime, right? So look at it, color pretty like a money, all natural, no coloring added. Yeah, man, sugarloaf pineapple peel. So listen, eat the flesh of the pineapple and use the peel to make a drink, because listen, in the peel everything there in terms of nutrients and everything where I look for health wise. Thanks for watching.